everyone, I am Nicole from Caregiver Batch 18. For today's video, I will show you on how to wash soiled linen, fabrics, and clothes using a washing machine and the best care after using it. The first step is the segregation. So we need to gather all the dirty clothes and then separate it. First, we need to separate the white one, which is the cleanest one. And then after, we need to separate the colored one. Next is the sizes. And then after, lastly, is the one with the stain. Always remember to check all the pockets of the clothes, and if there is something has valuable, we need to remove it. After the segregation, the next step is how to operate the automatic washing machine. First, we need to check if the wire there is a damage. If the wire is okay, then we need to switch it on. And then plug in the wire. Switch on the washing machine. Open the top load. And then put the cleanest one, which is the white clothes. Close the top load. Put your detergent powder. And then our softener on the other side. Close it. And then put your timer and start to operate. After we use our washing machine, I will show you what is the best way on how to clean and give care on your washing machine. First, we need to check all the surface and keep it on the designated area, your detergent powder and your softener. The next one, we should turn it off, the plug, and remove the wire. Check also your water consumption. And then, wipe all the surface of the washing machine. We need to open the top load so the bacteria will not be stick on it, and to remove away all the bad smell after you using it. And then the second one, we should clean also the surface on where we put the detergent powder and our softener. Because if there is any detergent here, it might happen that it will be black on the next one that you are using it. And then lastly, we should check the filter if there is still clean. It might affect also your washing after or by the next time that you will wash it. And then that was the end of my report. Thank you, and I hope you will learn a lot.